In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your date and time is missing from your system tray or taskbar on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select date and time. Go down to where it says show time and date in system tray. Toggle this to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.